Hello, welcome back to another fun video. I've got a Compaq Armada 110 here. I think that's how it's pronounced. I wasn't actually going to post this one up, but I figured this is a reality of old crap computers. Well, it's not crap, but there is some plastics that are broken on this over the hinge covers, and also the hinges are very stiff, as you can hear in this example. And it sounds like me on the toilet after 3 coffees. Very common issue with old machines or old laptops. The hinges get stiff, the lubricant dries out in them. If you're unlucky, it can actually damage the hinges permanently. I thought it'd be a great idea to lubricate them because that worked so well on the Dell, it actually did. So I thought, not a major, I'll whip this one apart and we'll lubricate the hinges. Turned into a total disaster. Here's your first clue. The screw did not come out of the bezel, which means yes, the standoff is destroyed. Yeah, very frustrating. So here's me going in with the 3-in-1 oil. It's a lightweight oil. Ideally you want to disassemble the hinge mechanism entirely and get the old lubricant out and the new stuff in, but yeah, failed to do that. Here's the standoffs on what's left of them. Some of them are actually cracking around the edges, and as I said, it is something that's very common on these late to early 2000s or even later plastics. The plastic just gets brittle, and yeah, so I thought I couldn't get any lubricant into the hinges, so I thought I'll try and take them apart. There's a cut washer on the end here, but every screwdriver I tried to get in there managed to get behind it, but I couldn't get that cut washer off, so I failed. Here's the hinges sort of glued back together. Yeah, 2 of them broke. So after basically a day of waiting for that to dry, I managed to sort of get the screen put back together, which was good. Put some blue Loctite on the screws, of course, and it's a shame because after all that work, yep, still sounds like crap. But the machine did turn on, which is really good still, so I didn't break it, beyond operation. Thankfully, the plastic wasn't structural to the hinge, but yeah, it's just a real shame, really. Other than that, the machine itself is actually pretty good. It's got a good keyboard, a good touchpad, a typical noisy sound chip. It's a Pentium 3 CPU. Can't remember what GPU's in it. It's got a DVD-ROM drive, 3.5-inch floppy disk drive. But yeah, I thought I'd just sort of share. You can't win them all, and unfortunately, sort of the reality, I guess, as it will, of the plastics on these older machines. They weren't built, obviously, to last this long, and they certainly have shown their age now. So, yeah, if you've got some laptops with some sticky hinges, I'd probably look at sort of lubricating them in such a way where you don't have to try and take the bezel apart like I did on that Dell. It seemed to be actually pretty easy. So yeah, unlucky with this one, but hey, I thought I'd post it up and go, here's what I tried to do, here's what can happen, and good luck. Just a quick one, and thanks for watching. Until next time.